Hi everyone, this is Eileen, and today I'm going to be doing my March sketchbook flip through. I already filmed this whole video once and it was out of focus, so we're going to try it again. This is the last drawing from February, and this is from March 1st. It's just a little gouache painting, and I had this scrap piece of gridded paper that I taped in here. I've been really liking using gouache recently, but I haven't been liking a lot of the things I've painted with it, so I think I need more practice. Oh, also I should mention, there's only like 10 pages left in this sketchbook, and I'm hoping to finish it today or tomorrow, because 3 days from now is my birthday, and I'm going to be visiting a Blick store. Hopefully I'll have like a little vlog type thing up if you want. Let me know. But I really would like to start a new sketchbook on my birthday. I think that'd just be fun. I already have one ready to start. I bought a sticker from, okay, I can't say what her name is. I can't pronounce it. But zoom in so you can see it. And this is the sticker I got from her. It's just on the cover. This is a sticker from Lee Ellickson. I have some things about that later in this sketchbook. This is just a little drawing in watercolor. I used some metallic pens on it, if you can see that. And this is some metallic watercolor that I got recently. Here is the stuff from that artist Lee Ellickson. You saw this little spread in my sketchbook sessions video, however I'm not very happy with it. I do like this little drawing. This one's just kind of ridiculous because I didn't put any time into it at all, and this one I'm just not very happy with, so we're going to try another one of those landscapes in the future, and we'll see. This is my Arteza paper that I recently reviewed, and their gouache is also here that I recently reviewed. I have a video review of that. This is that gold watercolor I got. I really like it. This is just like something from my friends in my art class that I had last semester. And this is a drawing inspired by Lee Ellickson, who I mentioned earlier. I'll mention her a few times probably in this video. But this is just something I did in colored pencil, inspired by her landscapes that she does, or has been doing recently. And this one is actually one that I like better. I used watercolor on it, so I just like how it turned out. It's watercolor gouache and watercolor pencil, although I didn't actually blend out the watercolor pencil, I just left it opaque. I did a little series of these houses as well as some more landscapes, and I'm going to insert that little clip right now of me showing you those. They're not in the sketchbook, but I thought I would include them anyway. Here are the little watercolor paintings I mentioned I was working on. The houses are available in my Etsy shop, which is linked below, and the other ones aren't yet. This one is actually a sketchbook, but they will be listed soon. This is a little paper about the Mark Twain study at some college in Maryland, I believe, where my pen pal's from. She sent me that. I did these while I was babysitting my little cousin. We were painting together, so no thought at all put into this, but they're kind of cute anyway. This is just like me messing around. Here is a little landscape I did, and it inspired a lot of things further on, including this, which I kind of like replicated for one of the original artworks that I'm going to be selling that I mentioned in the clip previously. A lot of these, moving on in the sketchbook, are just little thumbnails, and the colored pencils that I use on these are the Faber-Castell Polychromos. I bought 8 of them recently. They were on clearance at a local Michael's, or not a local Michael's, a Michael's I visited while I was out of town. They don't have them at my local Michael's. These are all of my Prima and Jane Davenport colors, which are the watercolors that I use currently. These are my Koi watercolors. This is just a little swatch. I wanted to get it back into using those more frequently. These are just little doodles, and I went back and watercolored them really messily later, so we're just going to pretend that this page doesn't exist. There's a little bunny. I did it in gouache. Couldn't figure out how the front paw worked, so I put some grass there, and it's all good. This is the end. I actually did this one today, April 1st, so kind of cheating here, as well as this page. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you back soon with another video, and next month for another sketchbook flip through. Bye!